For me. You're not put the image for me. Whenever one pain persona. Whenever one pain persona. Like nobody a mascot. You not expose nobody. He don't expose himself already. If you care about your kids, that's what you say. And I try to tell the internet, say, you wouldn't come over here and make you, and come over here. I smile and I flirt. You don't come over here where you really come over here for. I want up your look. Jonathan, I want up your look. I'm a type of tell I want up your look. Want up your looking. If you didn't care about your youth, then you would come over here. For girl, I ain't a chattings. Come off my page. I work here. A long time on social media. More than 2-3 years now. So if you did say you come over here but you pick they care about your youth them, you would come over here for young girl in a story. You know look, you play match with that the girl and you play match with that the girl and that type of story so you come here look one up. Because you think you can do it the best. That's what you think. Don't, how dare you open your fucking filthy mouth and I come talk about Jeffries don't care about the kids. You know something about Jeffries? That is the first question he asked me. I'm gonna say Jeffries, I cannot talk about the kids in any interview. So moving along the line, the first question he asked me about the youth them, I'm gonna say them good and that's it. Hurt me? What hurt me? The lie we ever tell for me hurt me. Because you keep on a come on TikTok and put out this persona like your mind pitney. We feel like say, nurturing a child is the best thing ever. Or them eat. Or them drink. Or them go to school. Eh? Or them eat, or them sleep, or them go to school, where them wear. Or them go cope. Eh? Drake's the cure over the world where you go. The cure over the world where you go. You're financial unstable. And that beat you bad. I had the only good parent, say financial and stable. You're financial and stable and that beat you bad. You're financial and stable and we know this. You all your family know it. Them on enough. So all the way you go put over here, make them come man. Make them shake the table. You're not financial and stable, you're not my pitney. Remember your mother give you where your granny grow you. My mama give me where too. But anyway. You're not financial and stable. Yeah. Meaning you give me a father that you will never go there. Remember one time Drake started working and go back to school, you know, and Drake said, them sit out that week at your work. So I don't know where you come, so come tell the blood clot internet. When you now go at the end of the month for your pin them. You just come over here, Unstable for anything we want him. Financial unstable, no me I talk about. Man, every time you go along the way, you just want to come here, come chat. And throw word. And all she care about, is man. All she care about is man. It's pure man. What you care about? What does you care about? Them type. And the screen can want get out to him if he hear it. I want them family that's listen to me. What you care about? Eh? You care about to tell a woman, oh, my left fire wealthy and lonely. The boy can't let me wealthy and lonely. No boy can let me wealthy and lonely. No boy. No boy can walk up from me. I mean walk up from all boy. No boy no walk. I mean I walk up from you, Jakes. You can't let me on blood clot. You can't let me lonely. Because what you think about me is not that. I'm a very unpredictable at all times. So we have in your back of your head and a that. The person you have in your back of your head about me and a that. Stop walk with me name all about and paint one picture about me as if I don't love my kids. Stop to that. Sam Star, thank you. Stop walk about me and sit down and paint one picture so I love my pitney them. Stop. Me not gonna sit well with you doing that. Stop. Run the profile in a civil garden. Start from up at open shop, come straight down and ask them about me and me youth them. And who take care of them in a financial wise? I don't know if I'm gonna walk. I don't know if I'm gonna wash, cook and clean. Cause I'm not gonna have your yard now do nothing, you're not working, you're not do shit. So you have to do something towards your kids. But stop, sit down and go like me the backbone in the family. Stop. Enough of that now. I bet they said, boy, she kill this and money and fool. When you come out to her, pick them, she take care of them. Me will approve that message there. Yeah. I will approve that message. She kill this and she, when you come out to man, she kill this and she money and she fool and she man crazy, she man good, man go bell. She love man like dog, but stop company internet come prove as if me don't like my kids them, me don't care about them well-being, me care, me don't want, me stop. The Bible says, seize to the child that you bear, miss long and carry my youth them for 9 months. Pussy and you. I use a fuck out mode, girl. British flag. Oh, she's crashing. Crash out over what? The Jacob crash. We did the chop up, man. We never crash out. When you the chop off, man, we never crash out. When Shanta almost 2 months, you did the chop off the whole of me hand. We never crash out. We are coming to come do, brother. And that's what I'm telling you, guys. That's what I tell the world. I can't like GX. GX lie and wicked and evil, bad. At 12 years, I deal with GX and GX lie bad. Wicked, bad. Evil, bad. You see something I play and a voice note, you know. I call my phone. And Diamond tell me, say, record him. And this is like a company internet come talk about, oh, we didn't know should I record, you never know shit. I call my phone. Wicked like that boy. I'm gonna hear the voice note. They hear the ringtone. So all you evil, you wicked. And you like come contradict yourself and paint picture. You never know me I record nothing. Because Diamond tell me to do it. You never know nothing. just sick and tired of this, man. Like, I'm sick and tired of, I'm tired of it, man. I'm not taking it no more. Me, I turn up for myself to my last breath. Oh. Oh, you are gonna know, say, me, I record this. Listen to it from the start. Video. Shit to her, girl. Make sure that my cat kick off, because every kick off for your blood clot pussy. Yeah. Keep me a kick out the pussy then. Oh, you know, hear the ringtone. Hear when the phone a ring. The first part of you hear the phone a ring. So all you gonna know, so me that gonna record a wicked boy. This is just a wicked. The phone a ring. I call me to the voice note. I call me record you. Is that not a voice note? You know you hear the ringtone. I call me record it on somebody's phone. I put up a speaker to all you lie. Me, Jason, I would never check it to all. Me know you lie. And you come on social media, you just poop over there say, all of the 12-year-old, me live with this is a lie. Me know why you're around me. Me know why you're around me. Hear it. You're going to hear the ringtone. It's I call my phone. Oh, you're going to know somebody call when I call you. Is the voice what you send me? Video. They hear the ringtone? Lie. Pay like you walk and tell. Oh. And I say you're abusive and stay. I say you're abusive and stay over the years. And all of that's why I'm a keep friend, I'm tell my business. And that beat your body. Because I want me to hold nothing. My keep friend will keep my business. Toto know you're very abusive. Munchi know you're very abusive. Diana find you out. Angela find you out. Triple find you out. Virgo find you out. Spice find you out. My keep friend know you're very abusive. The whole scheme. I'm going to see if we garden know you. I when your family come pretend. Me know you not like, not even, me know none of them not like you. That, see a sister of a trailer with a fingernail door like a bone. And your papa eat you. That's why you never get him last name. When you want judgment, for me, look boy, relax your ego. Relax. The one of them, when the family know you're all tabat, all pies, all crosses, all liar, all wicked, all twist story. I want someone know me say I try to have your back in and they say your granny. And I told you I build up around a year, but she did a friend and couldn't do it for 10 years. You come here about me care about man more than my people. I won't mind them. I won't feed them. You care about Pitney?